Hey, today I will show you a building that I decided to build just recently while cleaning out the Lego city. This is a three-story building with a comfortable apartments and garages on the ground floor. Well, let's quickly start the review. Let's go! For 7 years on the site where this building is now erected, there was such a warehouse of a bizarre shape. Therefore, half of this new house is built from old parts. At the moment, this house has the largest apartments in my city. Each apartment occupies an entire floor. I tried to make the facade of the building as diverse as possible with a small amount of parts. Well, let's look at the house from different parts. On the first floor you see two gates. There is a garage of each apartment here, or maybe in the future there will be a service station. Two entrances, one is into garages and the other into apartments. The facades of the second and third floors are identical. On the left side there are windows from the staircase, and on the right side there are windows from the apartments. The top of the facade of the building is decorated with various curly pieces. From this side you can see how much the first floor is narrower than the rest. This is due to the fact that there is a concrete wall at the back of the building close to it, which covers most of the floor at the back. On the second and the third floors there are windows from the bedrooms. From the back, the building does not look well presentable. This is not scary because there is another building nearby. The first floor on this side is particularly underground. Therefore, I made it from the most unpresentable parts. On the second and third floor, you see the windows from the bathroom and the stairwell. From this side, windows from the staircase and part of the small building located on the roof of the building are also visible. I will tell you about it right now. All over the world there is now a trend towards the most rational use of each section of the building, and my Lego city is no exception. Therefore, on the roof of this building there is a recreation area with a small garden. From this part of the building, which looks like a separate small house, you find yourself in a small garden where you can breathe fresh air, do physical activities, sunbath, take a walk, or just sit on a bench and enjoy the views. Well, time to look inside the house. And here we see a 3-room apartment with a large living room combined with a kitchen. I tried to make the layout as similar as possible to American sitcoms. When you enter the apartment, right at the entrance there is a wardrobe where you can put everything you want. Then you will be served in the living room combined with the kitchen, where you can have a good time with friends and prepare the meal. The apartment has 2 bedrooms and each has a window. There is also a toilet with shower. The staircase is quite spacious. The design of this apartment is more suitable for young and creative people. Let's go to the second floor. The layout of the apartment here is identical to the previous one, but design is different. There are also a spacious living room with a kitchen, 2 bedrooms and a toilet with shower. The staircase is also identical. Here the design is already more conservative and suitable for people of any age. Let's go to the first floor. There are garages and stairs to the top here. The garages can accommodate 2 cars and other scenes compatible with them. In the future, a car service station may appear here. Then more different parts from cars will appear here. Well, if you like this video, then please like it and feel free to comment and share it with your friends. I will be happy to see among the subscribers of our channel. Good luck everyone and take care of yourself. See you later.